Hello kids, in the last video we learned about food, nutrients, carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamin and minerals. Okay, we learned about all these nutrients. So today we are going to see water, refuge and exercise and rest, how to helpful to our body, to our health. Water is one of the most vital needs of our body and constitutes about 60% of our body's weight. Water helps in the digestion of food. The water present in blood carries and distributes essential nutrients such as minerals, vitamins and glucose to all the cells of the body. It also helps to flush out wastes from the body through sweat, urine and the feces. We must drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. What is the role of water to a body, to our body? In our body we'll see, okay, how the water is helpful to us. Water is most of the vital need of our body. To again other animals, birds, water is useful and it constitutes 60% of our body's weight. Water is constitutes of 60% of our body's weight. Water help us in digestion, and water present in blood, it carries and distributes essential nutrients to such as minerals, vitamins, glucose to all the cells of the body. Okay, it also helps to flush out waste from the body through sweat, urine and feces. Understood, no? Water remove the waste from our body in the form of sweat, urine and feces. We must drink at least 8 to 10 glass of water daily because we need a water. Our body constitutes 60% of our body's weight. Water in our body, 60% of water is there in our which belongs to our weight. So we must drink 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Water keeps our body clean and healthy. Understood, no kids? So you must drink water 8 to 10 glass daily. Understood, no? Think, why do we sweat during the summer season and also when we run? Tell me, why we sweat during summer season and when we runs out? Try to find out this one answer. You say own answer. Tell me kids, why do we sweat during summer season and also when we are run? Because I'll tell you, sweating is important for many reasons. Sweating is important for many reasons. One of the main reason is to help regulate temperature and help cool us down when our body are hot. When we sweat, our bodies releases various toxins. When our bodies releases various toxins that hinder our bodies in many ways. In fact, some toxins can only be eliminated from the body through the skin. Exercising in warmer temperature helps you burn more calories than working out in cooler temperatures. Understood now? Okay, now we'll see roughage in our diet. Roughage or dietary fiber is the indigestible portion of the food eaten. Roughage or dietary fiber is indigestible portion of the food whatever we eaten. It helps in the process of excretion. In addition to this, they allow the food to move along in the digestive tract. Roughage rich food includes salads such as lettuce, fruits, pulses, and the vegetables. Roughage helps keep our digestive system clear, thus avoiding constipation. Roughage or dietary fiber, second name is the dietary fiber, is the indigestible portion of food eaten. It helps in the process of excretion. Roughage helps in the process of excretion. In addition to this, they allow the food to move along the digestive tract. They allow the food to move along the digestive tract. Roughage-rich food includes salads such as lettuce, fruits, pulses, and the vegetables. These are all the roughage-rich food items. Roughage helps keep our digestive system clear. Roughage helps keep our digestive system clear and thus avoiding constipations. Through this roughage, waste will remove out from our body. Roughage means the waste that is remove out of our body. Roughage is indigestible portion of the food eaten that is inside our body. Understood now, kids? Now see, healthy eating. Healthy eating, balanced diet. A diet that contains carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and water in the right proportion of maintaining a good health is called the balanced diet. Balanced diet is a diet that contains nutrients, all of you know, that contain nutrients, for example, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals along with water in right proportion to maintain a good health and is called the balanced diet. Exercise and rest. Rest and exercise are equally essential for our good health and well-being. Not only food is required for our good health, rest and exercise also require. They are also equally essential for our good health and well-being. Proper amount of rest improve our learning and memory among children. Proper rest improve our learning and memory among children. It gives the body time to repair worn tissues and grow new cells. Rest is give the body time. Rest gives the body time to repair worn out tissues and grow new cells. Physical exercise improve blood circulations, muscles and bone strength, control body weight and help us live a healthier and happier life. Exercise means playing. Physical exercise improve blood circulation. Muscles. Physical exercise improve muscles, bone strength, blood circulation, control the body weight and help us live a healthier and happier life. So we need nutrient food along with water, exercise and rest. Why? To live a healthier and happier life. Understood now kids? Hello kids. Here you take a break. Bit break means little break. Next, after the break, we are going to revise the same lesson. Understood now? Okay. Take a small break. Bit break. Okay? After that, we'll revise the same lesson and see the exercise. Okay, everybody get back. Written now? So see, words to know. Nutrients means substance that provide nourishment to living things. We learned in this one lesson? Yeah. Energy giving substances. Energy giving substance means substance that provide energy to living things to do physical work. Substance that provide energy to living things to do physical work, that substance is called as energy giving substances. Body building substances. Substance that help in growth of the body. Substance that help in growth of the body, that substance is called body building substances. So see, protective substances means substances those are that are helps fight against infections. Substances that are fight against infection, they are called the protective substances. Minerals, natural inorganic substances present in food required for overall development of the body. Roughage, indigestible material present in food we ate. We are eating some indigestible material is there, that is called the roughage. Let us revise now. It is also the revision, type of the revision. Now see points 1. Point 1 is the food is our body's fuel source. Food is our body's fuel source. Second, nutrients are the substance in food that our body need to enable it to functions. Nutrients are substance in food that our body need to enable into functions. Third, carbohydrate, protein, vitamin, fat and the minerals are different types of nutrients. All of you know this one. Eating a healthy and balanced diet provide a nutrient in right proportion to your body. Eating a healthy and balanced diet provides nutrients in right proportion to your body. 5. Water constitutes about 60% of our body's weight. Water constitutes about 60% of our body's weight. In our body, how much our weight is? No, that is 60% only water will be there. Rest and regular exercise help us maintain a good health. Yes or no kids? We learned this one, all points in this one lesson, that lesson, this one lesson, no? Okay, now we'll see exercise. Fill in the blanks by selecting the correct option from those given in the bracket. Here given best option, they may be correct option. A. Growing children need more dash in their diet. Growing children need more protein or fat or carbohydrate in their diet? Proteins. Right here, proteins. Growing children need more proteins in their diet. Understood? Now see, minerals. Minerals are dash dash nutrients. Minerals are protective nutrients. Minerals are protective nutrients. Right here, protective. Okay? See, pulses are rich in source of dash dash. Pulses are rich in source. Pulses are a rich source of dash dash. Proteins. Right here, proteins. D. Dash dash helps to flush out. See here kids. D. Dash dash A helps to flush out wastes from the body through sweat and urine. Roughage, water or vitamin helps to flush out wastes from the body throughout the sweat and urine. Water. So right here, water. Water helps to flush out waste from the body through sweat and urine. Understood? Next see E. Roughage. Rich food does not include dash dash. Roughage rich food does not include dash dash. Salad, whole fruits or milk? What is the answer? Milk. Roughage rich food does not include milk. Roughage rich food does not include milk. Understood? No? Okay. Next see. Second question. Tick the correct statements and cross the wrong ones. A. Milk is rich in protein. This sentence statement is correct or wrong? Yes, it is a correct. Milk is rich in protein. So you make a tick correct. B. Fruit juices are good sources of roughage. Wrong. Fruits are good sources of roughage but not a fruit juice. Understood? No? Fruits are there, good sources of roughage but not a fruit juice. So this statement is wrong. C. Vitamins are protective food. Yes, correct. Just only we solve this one, seen in this one, fill in the blanks. Vitamins are protective food. Correct. Now see, all type of oil is our diet are energy giving food. Yeah, all type of oils in our diet are energy giving food. Yes, correct. Next see, a balanced diet does not contain water. Wrong. A balanced diet does not contain water? No, it's a wrong. So see, next here, what is there? Answer the following question. So what will you do? First you read the question, pause the video 2 minutes and try to find out the own answer. Understood, no kids? How to find out the what? How to find out the answer? What are nutrients? Turn the page. Look here. Nutrients are the substances in food that our body needs to enable it to the functions properly. Nutrients are the substances in the food that our body needs to enable it to functions properly. Second question. How do nutrients help our body? How do nutrients help our body? See, the nutrients in food supply energy to the body cells to perform work. The nutrients in food supply energy to the body cells to perform work. They also help in proper development and growth of the body, keeping it protected from the infection and the diseases. Understood now? So, turn the page. C. Question number C. What is a balanced diet? What is a balanced diet? Turn the page. Look here. A diet that contains carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and water in a proportion to maintain a good health is called the balanced diet. A diet that contains nutrients such as carbohydrate, fat, vitamin, minerals, proteins, and water in a right proportion to maintain good health and is called a balanced diet. Understood, no kids? So, question E. How does proper rest help children? Turn the page. Look here in this whole paragraph. Try to read. Rest and exercise are equally essential for good health as well as well-being. Now see, proper amount of rest improve the learning and the memories among the children. It gives the body time to repair worn-out tissues and grow new cells. Understood? Okay. How does proper rest help to this over? Now last one. Yeah, again one remain kids. How does regular exercise help us? Regular exercise means our work, running, playing. Understood? No? Body work. Physical exercise improve blood circulation, muscles and the bone strength. Control body weight and help us live a healthier and happier life. Last one is F. Is raw fish important in our diet? Justify your answer. Raw fish is an important in our diet. You only justify it is important or no. The raw fish is important in our diet because it helps in the process of excretion. In addition to this, they allow to the food to move along digestive tracts. In this paragraph, raw fish means is there. It is the indigestible portion of food eaten. It helps in the process of excretion. In addition to this, allow the food to move along the digestive tract. So, raw fish is important in our diet? Yeah. Now, hot. Why should we make healthy food choose? Why should you make a healthy food to choose? For taste, are you choosing a food? Okay. For taste, no. We should make a healthy food. For why? Because we get energy. We get energy from the food we eat. We choose the food, healthy food to get energy, to getting energy, not for a taste, kids. I know you all are choosing the food for only taste. Yeah, it is the spicy. It is the tasty. But don't do so. You choose the food for getting energy. Food also helps to repair the wear and tear of the body, fight off infection and diseases. The nutrients in the food supply energy to the body, cells to perform work. Proper, clean, healthy and well-balanced food has all nutrients in proper portion. Hence, it is important to make a healthy food choice. not only for taste. We should make a healthy food for choice. This one reason is there. So next thoughts, think and answer me kids. Okay. A. Why do people living in Himalayas and cold regions need more fat-laden food? People living in Himalayas and the cold region need a food that can supply heat and energy. They need a heat and more energy. Fat provide heat. Fat provide heat, warmth and energy to the body. Fat provide heat, warmth and energy to the body. Hence the people living in that Himalaya region and cold region, that areas need a more fat-laden foods. B question. Why do sportsmen, boxers and weightlifters need a more fat? Sportsmen, boxers, weightlifters need a more energy-giving food. Fat provide heat, warmth and energy to their body. C. Why do sick people need a lighter diet? Because sick people need a protective food that will be help them fight against the diseases and also protect them from the further damages. They need a food rich in vitamins and minerals. Fruits and vegetables are good sources of vitamins and minerals. Hence, soap and juice is making a good diet for sick people. Understood, no kids? So, you first read the lesson properly. Try to solve this one whole exercise. First write down in your textbook, then copy down in your notebook. Thank you for watching the video.